Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a quick and delicious Ramadan Iftar special egg paratha. Soft, flavorful and full of protein to recharge your energy after fasting. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 egg. Mix well. Adding egg in batter makes it softer. Gradually add 1 and 1/4 cup water and mix until you get a smooth batter without lumps. Make sure batter is lump-free. Egg paratha is a popular street-style Ramadan snack. In another bowl, beat 2 eggs with 2 tablespoon onion, 2 green chilies, 1 chopped tomato, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder. Fresh vegetables enhance flavor. And fresh coriander leaves. Heat a pan and pour some batter. Cook for 1 minute on medium heat. Spread a little oil and pour egg mixture on both sides. Flip again and cook both sides well until golden and fully set. Cook on medium heat for even texture. Spread egg evenly for balanced taste. Flip gently to avoid breaking. Eggs provide quality protein after fasting. Homemade paratha uses control oil. Onion and tomato add nutrients. Perfect for balanced iftar meals. Your Ramadan Iftar special egg paratha is ready, soft, flavorful and satisfying. Serve hot with sauce or chutney. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more Ramadan recipes.